Hello and welcome back to GSP Sea Fishing. Now, this video is a SIB fishing video. As you can see, it's not here in front of me. I'm at my front door because my fat fingers pressed the wrong button. Here is the intro clip. Now, I pressed time lapse on that. It didn't record a video, so I was just about to set up the rods ready to go out and launch the SIB, and also explaining that I've got my new t-shirts. Here is one of them here, but I had a black one on, and at the end of the video I'll show you the black one and asking for help from anyone out there or advice on how you think I should sell them. But here it is. This is the grey one here, and on the back of this one is a matte design. And this matte design is made up of all different names of the fish species you can catch in the UK. Right, anyway, let's get to the video. Well, everything's sorted. New leaders on the rod because I had like £50 leader on for bottom fishing. So I've now put some £25 fluoro, because we're going to predominantly be trolling for bass, doing a bit of lure fishing, maybe anchoring up by the pier, doing some jig work off the bottom. This is what we're going to do this evening. It's all sitting there ready to go. Just got to get the outboard on and then get it in the water. Also, this t-shirt I'll show you at the end. It's got a back design. You can't see it now because I've got all this on. But stay tuned to the end of the video. I've got 3 t-shirt designs, and I'll show them off because I'm excited. We are ready to go, Mark. Let's get this back. It's going to dig in. Get it from the back. Get the back in. Yeah, get it from the back and drag it down. Got it? Wow, it's nice and clear and nice and cold. Oh, look at the little fish. Wow. Little fish everywhere, mate. There's no hook on this, is it? Why is it caught on me? Right, cool. Right, do you want to get in? This could be fun. Yeah, are you going to run and jump? Go on, run and jump. It'd be great for my video. What? You trying to run and jump in this? Alright, you are, mate? Yeah. Cool. Right. Alright, hold on. Spin this round, I'll jump in the back. Plenty of depth here. What I want to do, I will spin it round actually. Hold that a minute, mate. So I'm getting, this could be fun. Don't like getting in the deep. My phone's there. Alright. My legs don't go this way. Need a little ladder, yeah. Let's push this backwards. We're going. Alright. Alright. Let's hope this starts. A lure, mate, pick a lure. If we're trolling like the what do you call it, are quite good. These hardcore ones, quite good. Or a smaller one. So, just come out. I know we're 300 yards offshore. A bit faster, mate. And we're going to start trolling. But we're just setting up the rods and the lures, and Mark's gone with a hardcore minnow. Hardcore minnow. I'm going with a hardcore minnow. Just about to clip it on. He's gone for the yellow and the pink one. He's just having a cast while I'm just prattling about. So we're going to troll from here, Hampton Pier, to there, which is Herne Bay Pier, somewhere there. Blah blah blah. And see what's about. So let's do it. That tip is vibrating, lovely. Mark's got weed on his. Once that tip stops vibrating, we know there's weed on it. There are fish down there showing. We are in about 16 foot of water here. We're gonna have a trial for a bit. If we see any action, we're gonna stop. Right, Mark is just putting the anchor down at the pier end because there's a lot of fish showing. We're gonna hope we can right, let out that again. Yeah, and then tie it on. Yeah. Right, we're gonna get some jigs on and jig at the bottom here, as there's stuff showing where there was. So let's do it. Alright, so I'm going to clip on this little mackerel jig, green mackerel. There it is, there. I'm going to start jigging that. Mark's going with the 18 gram coastal, what are they, storm coastal ones they are. Really good, really popular. Right, let's I'm going to jig on the back. You're going to go front ways, yeah? I'm going to go this way. Let's see what's about. Let that sink to the bottom. Oh, I've got weed or I've got a fish? I think I've got weed. Yep, weed. Just do like half turn, mate, and then pump it, half turn, pump it. Let's see what's down there, mate. Weed on one, doom doom doom. A lot of weed racing past, isn't there? Yeah. Big bit weed. Huh? Yeah, big wheel. Carnage with the weed. Let's get lures on to troll again. Yeah. We're at the anchor and we'll go towards that white building, yeah, over there. Yeah. And then we'll troll along to Reculver. Okay. So we've tried anchoring up, but there is so much weed coming past. We are jigging and catching weed every drop. So what we're going to do, we're going to go back to trolling lures. We're going to go inshore a little bit into maybe about 12 foot of water, about 12 foot, and see what we find there. But there is a lot of weed. Yeah, all right. Just grab it when it goes over. Is it rattling all right? Yeah. Right, we are back trolling. Both rods in the holder. There we are. We're in 17 foot. Going at nearly 6 miles an hour. Don't know why it's not in knots. I have to change that in the settings. We're going to go up to a culvert and back again. Let's see what we get. Well, I'm liking this a lot better, 16 foot. Mark might have caught something, as in weed. Yeah. Oh, it's other one. I'll get weed. Yeah, there you go. Oh, come on. You might have a fish. No? Think you got a fish?
Yes.
I think it's weed.
Big weed. Big weed.
Big weed.
And then the weeds come off.
You sure? No, you got bass, mate. Right there, let me net him. Let me grab the net. Oh. Well done, mate. Don't pull that out. Don't. Right. Hey, Mark, well done. Finally, we found a bass on a lure. Yours is the first one. Right. Let's
hold the net.
You can hold the net.
Yeah.
Let's put that. Take a bit of line out of that. Slack. Hold the net up. Get slacked out. Right. Let's put that in the rod rest. Done. Right. Ooh. Right. Mark has got the first bass. We have been struggling with weed. There is weed galore, but we have found an area here that is a bit weed free, and literally within what, 30 seconds of getting in this area, yeah, bang, the bass hit. Well done, mate. That was on a hardcore minnow. I do think no, he is a keeper. Yeah, he's a keeper. He's a keeper, and I will keep him. So we'll put him out of his misery in a minute. He can come home for my tea, unless you want him, because he's your fish, but you don't like them, do you?
I only like them when they come from a chip shop, covered in batter. I don't have to muck about.
Well, I'll take it then, mate. Right, thank you very much. Let's get fishing again. Right, let's get it going a little bit. Get the speed up. And get these back out over the back. Go for it, Mark, go on. Yep, heels out. The line out on that. There we go. Watching my rod at the moment. Mark's is right next to me facing the other way, so can't really watch them both. We're in about 15 foot of water. Well, we've got a shoal of fish here on the surface. Right, let's cast them, mate, cast them. They're right here. Look at this in front. Look at this, we've got a shoal of fish here. Come on. Come on. Where are they? They're there. Look at this bait fish, mate. Ho, ho, ho. Look at the bait fish. A lot of bait fish here. You alright? What are they? Should we see what they are? Is that all bait fish over there as well? We are surrounded by bait fish, mate. I'm slightly concerned there might be a storm coming. No, look at the sky. That's it, let's just work this lure here for a bit. That warm air is worrying a little bit, mate. Right, let's troll through these, mate. Got it? Right, let's troll. You right? Where are they going? Go this way. We're in 13 foot. Right, I'm gonna hit this out, mate. Yeah, that sky doesn't look great, mate. Does it? You're gonna hold it. Right, that's a good speed there. Yeah. What are they? Look at these bait fish everywhere. Got a fish.
What is it?
Oh, he's into a fish, just getting neutral. Oh, he's into a fish. Got a good fish on here. Right, I've got to get mine out of the way, mate. Right, I'll leave mine there. Got it?
Yeah.
Where?
Back the engine. Down the boat.
Right, just keep him away from the boat. Keep him away from the boat.
No.
Whoa, it's a good fish, mate, is it? Yeah. Oh, yeah, nice, mate. Oh! Right. Oh, Mark. Don't pull him up. You've got to leave the weight in the net. Otherwise you lose fish. That's it. Don't pull him up. That's a good bass, mate. That's a good bass. It's a good bass, mate. It's a good bass, yeah. Once you got the bass in the net, just leave it in the net, mate, because you pull it out. There we are, Mark's second bass. They're liking the pink on the hardcore minnow. Pleased with that. Your best bass in it, mate?
Best bass, mate. Yeah. Well happy with that.
We've still got things topping around us, so we going to keep him because he's well in size. Well into size. Put him in the bucket. Go again. Let's go again. Cheers, mate. Oh, nice fish. Oh, we've got a good bass here. Took the lure. I'm coming this side, Mark, yeah. My first one on the yellow. My favourite lure, but the Mark's had a couple on the pink one. Oh, nice fish. Nice fish. He's a nice fish. Come on. Come on. Get it in now. Yes!
Look at that one.
Nice!
Nice,
nice, mate. Lovely jubbly. Well happy with that. Right, let's get him unhooked.
Well done, mate.
Cheers, mate, finally.
I know, he's a good one.
He's a good bass.
Just a big old bod.
Let's have a look at him, mate.
Oh, fuck, a right old melon on him.
Right, let me unclip this. I'll get this in this rod holder here. Get the lip grips on him, where are they? Look at that, that is a lovely bass. Wait, lose my balance. I'm very happy with that. Very happy with that. Right, Mark, what I'm going to do, buzz down there a little bit, come back up, yeah?
Yeah.
Because that's where it was happening.
So it seems to be hanging about, isn't it?
That's where they hang about, yeah. You alright? Got a bit of weed. Right? well, the wind has started to pick up, the sea's got a bit choppier, can't see the weed, the light's fading and we're getting caught in a lot of weeds, so I can't see where the clear patches are to where they're not. So we're going to call it a day because it is starting to pick up. We've got a fair way to buzz back. We're going to do that, so let's get back, let's have a look at the fish. I'll show you the t-shirt and explain what speeds we were doing, lures we were using, and go through everything. See you in a minute. We have had a very wet ride back, haven't we, mate?
We have, mate.
Weed has been
very excited.
very excited, nearly lost him over the side. Weed has been a nightmare getting caught on the engine on the way back, can't see it. Yeah, it's been really bad. But I quickly want to, before we go through the bass and what we did to catch the bass, just show you my t-shirt. So there we are, GSP. This is the first one that I had printed out. I've got 3 designs. They're at home. I'll show you. It's black t-shirt. It's got the logo on the front. And Mark, show them back. There
you go, look at that.
There we go. This is Fish on the Brain. GSP sea fishing.
Get your orders in there.
I'm going to work out a way of selling this t-shirts and merchandise. So anyone got any ideas, please leave me a comment, message. I don't want to do it through a website that does it all for you because they take a lot from it, so I want to do it myself. So anyone got any suggestions, please let me know. Right, I'm going to get last bits in the car, I'll show you the bass. So these are the bass that we caught. The top one is a 60, the one below it is a 54, and the one below that is a 48. The 2 at the bottom are Mark's, the one at the top's mine. All on lure, weren't they, mate?
All on lure, mate, yeah.
All on lure. Now,
the brighter the better.
The brighter the better. It was actually today. Bright lures worked. I had a bright yellow one on. Mark had a gold and pink one. Both hardcore minnows. Hardcore minnow 90s. They are Duel Uzuri hardcore minnows. They're sinking lure. Great for shore work, very long distance casting, and great at trolling. They've got this really tight wobble. You can see it through the tip. Now, we were both using these short boat rods and braided line with 25-pound fluorocarbon leader. I actually have run out of 20-pound fluorocarbon leader, which I would have gone with, but 25-pound was fine, and just used a tiny little mustard fast hatch clip to clip the lures on. And you've just got to work it out with the current as to what speed you want to go. You're going to have to work it out with the vibration of the tip and the lure. So we were going with the current and going at 6 miles an hour, and then on the way back we were going at 4 miles an hour. We had the same vibration in the tip, and that worked the lure as well. You can always tell when you get weed or get caught on something because the tip of the rod stops vibrating. But it's good for us. Caught some bass, a lot of weed about, made it a bit difficult, but we enjoyed it, didn't we, mate?
Good session, mate, wasn't it?
Good session in the end.
Like the old SIB, didn't we?
Yeah, coming back was fun. Yeah. It was fun. But anyway,
makes you feel alive.
Makes you feel alive. Or we could have been dead. Yeah. Right. Next time we might do a short session. We might be back in the SIB. I don't know. But until next time, what is it, Mark?
Tie lines.
Tie lines.